Hi, my name is Laura Schild. I live in Greenfield, Illinois. My son is a college student over in Illinois State University studying recreational management. Um, I'm back in school as well, so it's kind of weird. We're both in school at the same time. Um, I used to work as a preschool teacher, and I also worked as customer advocate for Blue Cross Blue Shield. Both of them I could help people daily, and I love helping people. Um, didn't know exactly what I wanted to do with my life. Of course, it hit me way past the prime of my life, apparently. But I wanted to become a social worker to help people that deal with death on a daily basis. Um, my husband passed away in 2000. I was dealing with a tremendous loss. And then in 2012, I had a stroke, which I knew I was going to die. That stroke changed my entire life. I saw the white light. I saw that God has something special out there for me. So He took my speech away and helped me ponder on everything that is new in my life. And I finally figured out what it was, and I need to be a hospice social worker. So I'm back in school to get my LCSW so I can do what I know I'm supposed to do. So that is the reason I'm here. So thank you very much, and I will talk to you all soon.